Just looking with the ecoplumbers here. Got out in Bexley. We're looking at this really old and super corroded main shutoff. If you see all that stuff, that's what's called a micro leak. It's leaking so slowly that it's actually corroding as it's leaking. So all this corrosion here, all this is actually all galvanized. So this is rusting out and just getting super brittle and very weak. So we're gonna go ahead and change this out for a new shutoff, and hopefully we won't have to deal with any old rusty valves. I'll check back in when we're all done with this. All right, and there we go. All done. New brass valve. Got a 3/4 bushing in here to a new 5/8 meter spud with a new washer in here. That's what's called a McDonald nut. This is a compression fitting. This compresses on the outside of this incoming copper line and seals it against this valve here. No more corrosion. Looking good.